Welcome to Self-Study Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to create a new raster file of a city and how to use a city raster file in QGIS software with practical example. I am going to create the Ahmedabad city raster file using OpenStreetMap website. Start OpenStreetMap.org website. This is one of the popular GIS application. Search the city name for which you want to create a raster file. I'm going to create a raster file for Ahmedabad. Click on Ahmedabad and then locate the area for which you want to create a raster file. I am locating area near my university. This is the area for which I want to create a raster file. Now I'm going to press print screen button from my keyboard. Then start MS Paint software. Press Ctrl V and then save this file. Make sure you are saving with .png file name extension. You can see a file which is created here, ahmedabad.png file. This is a raster file. I'm going to use this raster file in QGIS software now. Start QGIS software. Start new project. To layer menu and then add one raster layer. Select the file that you want to load. This is the Ahmedabad file that we want to load in this project. Select it and open it. Click on add and you can see Ahmedabad raster file is added on our project. And once the file is added, you can observe the layer menu. One layer is created here with this Ahmedabad raster file. And this is the place where you can add your additional information that you want to add. For example, I am adding just this is Ahmedabad University and some formatting according to your requirement. Okay, just apply, close, and then you can export this data in image format. And again, this will create a PNG file, Ahmedabad edited file. This is how you can add your raster file in QGIS project and you can edit it according to your requirement. Enjoy QGIS.